what's up, folks? How's it going tonight? So, in lieu of my last video, I got called out on using these things really close to the chuck, and rightly so. So actually, I've been found a couple little pieces of oak, an oak pallet just kicking around, and I tore it apart and salvaged all the good, decent stuff that I could. So I'm gonna make some. I got a little piece of copper tubing here somewhere too, and I'm gonna make some file handles. Ooh, that's nice. Yeah, that is kind of cool. Let's try to get it to about 575, I think, is what the idea of that copper tubing is. I already forgot what the fuck my measurement was. That's a little more. Alright. Now, I did last time. Just extended this all the way out for my taper and lined it up to about where the end of this is. So when I stop my taper, I'll know when to stop. I'll just lock the carriage right now. Back this all the way out. And start cutting my taper. We're pretty much there, I think. Yeah, I think so. Maybe a little more. That's probably good enough, I think. And that's about it for that part. Yeah, and now I'll just kind of freehand around thing. Now maybe just a little bit of sanding and some artistic flair. You know, not reaching over the chuck, but from you know, from behind the work. Yeah, that's good enough. A little bit of Scotch-Brite. Or, sorry, emery cloth. My bad. I know that looks worse than it is, guys. Come on. There's always some semblance of danger when you're spinning shit at high RPM. Like, you know, just got to be aware of what you're doing, and you know, kind of ignore the camera if you can. I'm just gonna kind of eyeball this in there, get that hole, you know, line her up relatively straight. No Frank Howarth. Probably not. Fortunately, this thing's gonna go rocketing across the room like it usually does. Fingers off the trigger. Yeah, about there. Just take the burrs off with a rasp or really coarse file. This file will never see the light of day near my lathe, promise you. Just a little bit of deburring there. Not too worried about that. Well, I already got a triangle one. We can do the round one this time. And what I did with the other one. There's some good sized blob of wood glue on there. The hole's a little too big for the file. Oop. I'm sure epoxy would be better, but it's wood. Wood likes wood glue. Just fill up that hole really good. She's in there. Pop a little ring around here. Might have to drive her home. And we're going for like a 20 thou press fit. No, I kid, folks. But it is going to smear it. That's kind of what I wanted it to do right there. So, there, we just clean up that burr, and there's your frickin' file. Yeah, Rusty, my friend, you're totally right about that. That being a pretty terrible, terrible thing to do with that little file. Like, that was the first thing I thought of, was it getting hooked and go right through my damn hand. So this is actually something I've been trying to do for quite some time. So Rusty, this video's for you, buddy. Yeah, it doesn't need much. White sand. Just to take out any sharp edges. That's kind of the point here. And naturally a good coat of 30 weight oil, because just quite frankly, that's what everything else is coated in this shop. So, you know, why deviate? There, looks all well used already. There is our little brand new little oak handle. Oak file handle. Bring it on, folks. Be safe out there, especially with files. Peace out.